Iyon mga tol, magandang umaga. May bago na naman tayong pupuntahan. Yun oh. So gagawin natin ngayon yung Singapore Coast to Coast NParks. Tama ba? Singapore Coast to Coast Trail. So magsisimula tayo sa Jurong Lake Gardens sa Lakeside. Nandito na ako ngayon sa may Junction 10 sa Bukit Panjang. So samahan nyo kami. May tatagpuin ako ng mga kasama, pero sa kalagitnaan na siguro. So yun, let's get it on mga tol. Ayun mga tol, galing ng Woodlands Road, kumanan ako papuntang Chua-Chukang Road. And then dito na ako ngayon sa Bukit Batok Road. Ang target natin is makarating tayo sa Jurong Lake Gardens ng 9:30, on or before 9:30. Ali malapit-lapit na lang naman to eh. Dito lang ako nagbabike sa may pavement. Chill ride. Yun. So weekend ngayon, so dapat tayo mag-exercise at mag-enjoy. Ayan mga tol, nandito na tayo sa Bukit Batok, West Avenue 8. Time check 9:13. Ayan, so far estima ko makakarating tayo doon ng 9:30 sa Jurong Lake Gardens. Ang ganda naman ng templo na to. Wow. Nasok tayo dito. Binigay ng mapa. Ayan mga tol, gusto ko lang share sa inyo na kahit saan naman kapag tatawid tayo ng bridge o dadaan tayo ng bridge, need to dismount and push. Siyempre may mga dumadaan din at maraming slope. Magmumulta ka kasi dito. Saka for safety na rin, para hindi tayo makasagi. So payong kapatid. So kailangan din natin maging responsable habang ini-enjoy natin yung pagbabike. Sa ba? Ayun mga tol, dito na tayo sa Lakeside. So mag-start na tayo sa CP1. Papasok na ako dito. Ayan. So ito na yun. Ito na yung start mga tol. Ayan oh, coast to coast. Alright, so I'm here with my friend going to reach checkpoint number 1. Woohoo! You never start.
No, now I need to go back.
It's okay.
No. I won't go back.
I told you. You never listen to
I didn't understand what you meant.
You never start in the lakeside. That's the starting point.
Okay, so I need to go there. You can wait here.
Okay, we'll wait here.
Yeah, I'll have a rest.
Ayan, bali galing ako dyan mga tol. So from Lakeside na dun yung starting point. Malalaman yung start na kayo dun sa Coast to Coast Trail if you download yung application nilang Coast to Coast Trail NParks. So makikita nyo yun sa application sa Apple Store or sa Play Store, right? So ito siya. So sundan nyo lang to, PCN na to. Ayan. Ayan, checkpoint number 1. So ayan. Woo! I like the weather. Kailangan nyo mag-ingat dito. Mag-ingat in the sense na marami kasing tawag dito, naglalakad din. Dismount and push. Yun, ito na tayo sa checkpoint number 2, Bukit Batok Nature Park. Ayan siya. Ang presko mga tol. Ay, salamat. May mga ganitong lugar. Mag-unwind, mag-relax after ng pagkahaba-habang araw ng pagwo-work. It's weekend. Today is Saturday. So you just need to look all this signage. Yes. And yeah, you can see from here. That's the checkpoint number 3. Here's the checkpoint number 3. Oh, Hindhead. Or Hindhead. Up to you how you pronounce it. Hindhead. 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 My goodness. King Albert Park. Side trip muna kami rito sa railway na to. Pa-picture lang tayo. Hindi pa rin ako nakakapunta rito eh. So daanan na natin. Alright.
If you reach out and touch, my mind is a battle. I'm trying to hide it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks.
This is my first time. I've been dreaming of coming over here. So now, yeah, great. This is the old Bukit Timah railway station. Yeah. Oh, there's the CT4. Yes. 6 more to go. Adam Food Center. Yay! We're having our lunch. What do you call this? Adam special. So you have a beef. Yeah, beef rendang, chicken, some potato, nuts, and dilis with egg and cucumber with some spicy for a total of $6. And you have a sugar cane, $3.50. Okay, so let's eat.
But Alex can queue next time.
Yeah. Now we're heading towards the next point, CT5. Bishan ang Mokyo Park. Dito na kami sa Makrichi Reservoir. Enjoy the breeze. Woo! St. Teresa's home, the church. Wow, it's a tunnel. Woo! No? Again? Coral Park. Oh. Hey! I will come down. Hurry, hurry.
Don't get stuck in the
Here. Saan kaya ang CT5? Yes, we're here. CT5. My goodness. Thank you. It's a nice weather. I gave you 360 view. Mga tol. Oh, there's a otter. So this is Ang Mokyo Bishan Park or Bishan Ang Mokyo Park. Yeah. Ang Mokyo Avenue 5. Going to our next destination checkpoint, CP6. So So galing lang kaming ang Mokyo Park. Okay, we're here in checkpoint number 6. Luxus Hills Park. There, Luxus Hills Park.
Hi.
Hi. Whew, it's hot.
It's very hot today.
Okay, moving on to our next checkpoint. Rock and roll. Hey guys, as you can see mga tol, meron siyang staircase, tapos meron siyang daanan para sa gulong ng bike. Ayan, so hindi kayo mahihirapan, tatalbog-talbog ang mga gulong ninyo. Diba? Okay. Tig. Wow. Wow. There's a nice bridge. Oh, there's a big blueberry. Wow, it's a giant blueberry. We cannot finish it all. Wow. Come, let's go. Hi. What's the name of this bridge?
It's just called Riverside Park. This whole area.
So from CP6, dito na kami ngayon. Unahin muna namin yung CP10 kasi out of the way siya. So after CP10 babalik kami. So dito yung Seletar Westlink. You can follow yung Strava account ko para makita nyo yung ruta ng mga dinaanan ko. Mekway, Alishanda rin siya mga tol. Okay guys, so from Seletar Westlink, now we're approaching checkpoint number 10 here at Rowers Bay at Yishun Avenue 1. Yes. Oh, that's number 10. Okay, so we're here in checkpoint number 10. Alright. Woohoo! Rowers Bay at Yishun Dam. Yes, so we have arrived in checkpoint number 7. Yoo-hoo!
How did we miss this? We turned right here.
Yeah.
This is the bridge where we turned.
Funny. Did you remember that we turn here, the big blueberry?
That.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
How come we missed it?
Oh, we came all the way just to see that. We already went past it already.
How come we missed that point? Ay, hindi ko alam mga tol bakit namin na-miss kanina. Dito kami pumunta bago kami pumunta ng Seletar. Doon sa Rowers Bay. Kala ko malayo pa yung 7 pero ito na pala siya. Pero at least nakarating kami. Another 2 to go. Alright. Coast to Coast Trail, Singapore. Dito tayo sa Punggol Water Point, yung mall. Dire-diretso pa rin tayo hanggang sa CP8. Alright. Daming tao ngayon kasi weekend. CP8. CP8. Yeah. Yeah, can you please move your bike a bit? Yeah, I asked. Can you please CP8 checkpoint number 8? So left another one more point to complete the Coast to Coast Trail Singapore. Alright, time check is 5 to 6, so meaning it's 5:55. Wow. So we're here in Park Connector. This is what's this place?
I think it's Congo Riverside.
Okay.
And Alex took the wrong side.
Yeah. Okay, so moving on to the next and final checkpoint. Let's go. Woo! Yes, CP9. There, the CP9. Woo! So ito, bigyan ko kayo ng 360 view to complete the coast to coast trail Singapore. Right, thanks God for the nice weather. So if you like this video, please consider to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so you're updated every time upload a new video. Yes, nabulol pa ako. Okay, thank you. Checkpoint number 9, Coney Island. I need 6 foot. Yes. It's okay because I'm wearing slippers. Oh, final coast. Wow. Magsa-Chinese New Year na kasi mga tol. After ng Christmas yan, pa-Chinese New Year na tayo next month. Dito yan sa may Yishun Ring Road.